In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on a WordPress website without plugins. Whether you're running an online store or a personal blog, adding a WhatsApp button can make it incredibly easy for your visitors to contact you directly. This feature is a great way to improve communication, boost engagement, and provide a seamless user experience. And the best part? You can do it without relying on any additional plugins, keeping your site lightweight and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen, but depending on your theme or setup, it might appear somewhere else. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials, find and select the option that says Continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process by using your Google account for authentication, saving you time and keeping things secure. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of your Google profiles. Choose the appropriate Google account associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're logged in, look for the Quick Links section in your WordPress dashboard. This section is designed to give you easy access to frequently used tools and settings. Click on the Quick Links section to expand the menu, and from there, select the option labeled Edit Site. This will take you to the site editor where you can make changes directly to your website. Inside the site editor, locate the plus icon at the top left corner of the page. This icon opens a menu that contains all the design elements and blocks you can add to your site. Click on the plus icon and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. This is the quickest way to find the WhatsApp button block without having to scroll through the menu manually. When the WhatsApp button option appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Adding this button to your site allows visitors to contact you via WhatsApp with just one click. It's a simple yet powerful way to integrate direct messaging into your website. Next, the interface will guide you through positioning the WhatsApp button on your site. You can drag and drop the button to place it wherever it works best for your layout, whether that's at the bottom corner of your page for easy access or embedded within a specific section of your content. Take a moment to consider where your visitors are most likely to notice and use it. Once you're happy with the placement, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that the WhatsApp button is both visible and functional on your live website. This step is crucial because without saving, your changes won't be applied and the button won't appear to your visitors. Finally, it's time to verify that everything is working properly. Open your live site in another tab or browser window and locate the newly added WhatsApp button. Click on it to test its functionality. It should open WhatsApp and allow visitors to send you a message directly. If it doesn't work as expected, double-check your settings and make sure the button is correctly linked. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website without using any plugins. This simple addition makes it easier than ever for visitors to connect with you, enhancing communication and overall user experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.